So hey guys, this is Imtiaz. Welcome back to my channel Tech Parker. Today in this video we are going to show you the 5G device in very affordable price. Okay, so I'm here now in Shakil Bhai shop Base Wireless. Hello Shakil Bhai, how are you?
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Salam. Shakil Bhai, can you tell to my audience which 5G product you have now? Which 5G device you have
At the
now?
moment, we got for you the 5G devices. Let me start with the LG Velvet. Its model number is LG Velvet.
Okay.
6.8-inch display, 5G device, 6GB, 128GB, only 499 dirhams. It's super budget and super
affordable
for-
price. Okay.
Then
wow.
if you go little higher, then we have here fan edition as well, S20 fan edition.
Samsung
By the way,
S10.
it's our first video with the S20 fan edition
Yeah.
in the Tech Parker. So let me tell the price. 6GB, 128GB. The price is only, and it's also 5G device. The price is only 649 dirhams.
Oh, 649 only fan edition.
Yeah, and let's start with the Samsung S20 Plus 8GB, 128GB American specs. And we'll say the Samsung S20 Plus, very affordable price, only 849 dirham. You will
Wow.
get Samsung S20 Plus.
Below 1000 dirham.
And those who are looking for the cheapest device and the bestest specs, like best camera, best battery, best everything, and best display as well. So here we got the Samsung S21 Ultra. And why we are selling less this price? Because it has the scratches on the body,
Little
but
bit
it
scratches is there.
doesn't have the dot and shading, nothing. So
Okay.
so the price is only 1,349 dirhams for this Samsung S21 Ultra.
1349,
And then here we
128
have the one more, the hottest product we got here, the Samsung Note 20 Ultras, a 12GB, 128GB. That's American spec. Samsung Note 20 Ultra. The price is only 1,299 dirhams. So this is also 5G device.
Wow. And bronze
12GB,
color,
128,
Shakil bhai.
and the bronze color is super hot color.
And Shakil bhai, all over UAE delivery are available?
Yeah, all over UAE delivery available. You can contact in the description. First time that we have also Flip 3 as well. It has a dot on the display. So very minor dot on the display you will get, but it's very minor. The price is only 1,200 dirhams. The dotted
Wow.
display. Let's start with the S22 family. This is our first video for S22 family. I don't think I have only pink color. We have the black color, green color, and pink color as well. The
And we have
price
black
is
color
only
also.
The 1,499 dirhams. And here we got one more product in Samsung, that is 5G device. The price is only Samsung S21 8GB, 128GB, 899 dirhams. And then start with the Google Pixel. We have the two different model in the Pixel limited stock. The Pixel 7 Pro only 2149, and then here Pixel 6a 6GB, 128GB is only 825 dirhams. And then we got here the Samsung Note 10 Plus. That is the hottest model. If I'm looking for 12GB, 256GB, and best for the PUBG game and other games, so the price is only 1,550 dirhams. And then here we got these two different models from the Samsung, the S9, S9 Plus, like small brother and big brother. Samsung S9 only 399 dirhams, and Samsung S9 Plus only 499 dirhams.
Wow.
And then where we have another affordable model, 5G device, Samsung A71 5G device, 6.7-inch display, 6GB, 128GB. The price is only 479 dirhams.
Super
That's the
affordable,
price. Yeah,
huh?
super affordable price. And then here we got this Apple Ultra watch. You can't find in Dubai. The price is only 2,350 dirhams.
So 2350 dirham you will get Apple Watch Ultra, used one but look like new. So Shakil bhai, thank you so much. That's it from this video. I hope you like this video. We are already showing the price of 5G device. So guys, if you are in Dubai and if you want to purchase any 5G device from Base Wireless, all over UAE delivery available. Only 30 dirham you need to pay. Within 24 hours you will get the delivery. So that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribe button, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.